Cheap Finds Friday. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. We got David got Kicks in the building.
Hey guys, it's great. Great to be here on Thursday, but Friday for you guys.
Friday for you guys. So happy Friday. We are out here bringing y'all another Cheap Finds Friday, and we are at Goodwill right now. We haven't been here in a minute, so we're about to check it out.
Yes, let's go.
Okay.
I'm excited.
Right.
I have a good feeling about this.
All right, let's go. All right, starting off in Goodwill with the glass cases. Oh my God. Ah! Oh, they have a Funko Pop here? What is this, Zoe?
Fortnite.
Zoe from Fortnite.
You got a knife set?
Hello Kitty ukulele. That's kind of cool.
Hello Kitty ukulele. They got a microscope set.
To look for How many likes did you put off on this?
Dude, no likes is where.
No.
Hell no, dude. We got some Monopoly dog toys, a bunch of off spray for the low.
Kind of cool.
Do people donate these and then that's how it gets here? Look at all the Post-its, dude. I actually need some Post-its.
$5 for a stack.
$5 though?
Taxing.
Oh, we got the back to school supplies. Is this the good binder paper or the bad one? Dude, this is the bad one. The one that smears?
This is the one that the cholos would have in their binder. Throwback. This was my first tripod. Not
Sunpack?
this exact one, but this one was my first tripod.
How much?
$15.
Goodwill's getting kind of expensive.
I don't even know if it has all the pieces.
Guys, we found Shaun White's goggles right here. Oh my gosh. Throwback to Shaun White. Hope you're doing well, buddy.
Yo, around the corner, I think we just ran into one of my fans. I think he might be your fan too. Or he might just be an electrical fan.
Look at all the toys though. What would Paul Cantu do right now, dude?
Oh, dude, this one's sick.
Is that Dumby?
Who?
Dumby.
Sleepy.
Oh.
Dude, no, like, honestly, anything Disney, like, plushies like this is kind of cool.
What is that one? With the like weird outfit right here. It looks kind of creepy. Oh, hell no. So David thinks that he found a vintage Mickey.
You can tell it's like vintage just because
It doesn't really look like...
this is like what he used to look like in the
Wait,
old
what's
cartoon. Kind of dope though. This is like his old like orchestra.
Don't even.
I'm looking for the tag. Chill out.
Don't even.
Do you think this is a corgi? It kind of looks like the same fur.
Oh, it is.
Yo.
Butters, what's up?
Hey, Butters.
Hey. We got a saucy Smokey the Bear. He's booling right now.
$4. That's dope.
Not too bad so far. We got the electronics section, a lot of like kitchenware stuff over here. Nothing too crazy. We're getting into the bong section though. This is gonna be crazy.
Yeah, let me hit that.
You're gonna get us caught, dude. The taco holder?
No, my mez.
Why does Shrek look so much younger on this cup?
Yo, throwback to these McDonald's cups. If you guys have ever had one of these cups, you know, man. McDonald's used to come out with all these cups after all these movies.
Do they give it to you for free?
No, you'd have to buy it.
Oh, what the heck?
So dope. So tight.
Oh, that vintage Coca-Cola one in the back? Dude, that's sick. Look what David just found. How much is it?
$19.99. No, it's
Look,
from
look,
$19.99.
Look at it.
It's like brand new and it comes with the box.
It's from $19.99?
Yeah.
Even the box is like pretty sick. It's a candy bowl.
What's up there?
Oh, right here. It's $15.98.
That's tight though. I'm not gonna get it just
Yeah, you don't need it, but it's cool. Whoa, whoa, whoa,
Oh,
whoa.
I thought I bought this to use as a lightsaber, huh? Hey, no more dirty dressing first.
So I found this flask. It totally matches my order right now. Look at that. Isn't that fucking amazing? Look in the mirror and tell me what you see.
Whole bunch of failure. I don't want to do this. I told you.
Oh, PNG egg. Okay, good find. We got some cooked Air Force Ones. What was the price on these?
15.
Ugh.
We just found Doug from Up. Check the price. It's free.
Okay, so to our surprise, we actually found a decent amount of stuff in Goodwill. Obviously, we didn't buy anything, but it's still cool to check Goodwill every now and then because sometimes they might have some fire in there. What I've been looking for though, seriously, is some old stuff from like our childhood, like Beyblades, Game Boys, PSPs, older Xboxes and stuff like that, just because I want to start another series on this channel where we just throw back to all the stuff from our childhood. So I think that'd be pretty cool. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and check out a different store right now, but we'll check in with you guys in a little bit.
Have some respect, dude.
Why?
Like, you can't just be leaving your freaking thongs everywhere.
That's yours.
It is. It's a face mask!
And just like that, we are at Burlington Coat Factory. I haven't been here in so long, but let's go ahead and check it out. Usually this store is whack. This store right here.
We usually go to the Great Mall one. The Great Mall, they never really have anything dope in there. Not anymore like they used to. So hopefully they got some fire today.
But let's keep the standards really low for this store right here, okay?
I have them high.
I have it really low, so I won't be disappointed. But the one after is gonna be Nordstrom Rack. It's just right next door. But first, Burlington.
The real reason we come in here is to mess around.
Freaking Shaq leave his shoes here again? Perspective. Put it near your foot. Perspective.
Bro, I can fit my normal foot in here.
With the shoe on.
$27. So if you are a size 17, slide through.
They have Louis Vuittons here?
2016 thumbnail. Okay.
David, somebody did the switcheroo. Look for it, look for it, look for it. Look for it, look. Don't even. How much money to lick that? 50K?
$10.
Okay. Okay, just as we expected, that store was
Sad.
We're in Nordstrom Rack right now. We found an MCM side pouch. That's looking pretty clean with the little clutch right there. That's actually really nice. I could probably do a couple keychains or watch bands out of that, but I don't know what price.
Wait,
Yeah.
watch bands and keychains?
Yeah.
Where can I get some of those?
Shopsaltopia.com. Wait, those croc charms?
Yep.
Where can you get those?
Hypebeastaurist.com. Swipe up.
Shop now. Chicago ones at Nordstrom Rack?
Cut out a swoosh and put it on here.
New custom coming soon. On your channel, right? Since you're uploading?
Yo!
David Got Kicks is uploading, guys.
I'm not gonna upload trash anymore.
Make sure to show David some love.
I'm just a loser. My
No,
mom's right.
no. The only time you're a loser is on opposite day. Okay? But seriously, show David some love. Subscribe to his channel. He is back on YouTube with those post notifications on.
Not just my Whack as a Vlog channel. Like, for real, David Got Kicked.
The real David Got Cakes is back. David's trying to find... Dude, if you use Snapchat, you can zoom.
Oh.
So let's see if you can see it through here. Almost.
It's covered.
Well, it's covered. Damn. Okay, so my best guess is under 300. Okay, so your boy came up on this MCM clutch right here. I got this for $240. After tax, it was like $260. I don't know what the retail is on this bad boy, but let me see. 39% savings. Oh, original price is $395. Yo, I got this for a steal, low key. Let me know what you guys think about this purchase. I'm gonna be making some stuff out of this. Nothing wrong with it. Nice little pink color. Let's see the inside.
Sure, just use me.
Sorry, dude. Oh, wow, it comes with a little baggie in there. Anything else? Some snacks. Okay. Some seasonings. And that's about it. Hey, it's double-sided. Oh, and it has a flap right here. There's probably more material behind. Okay, a little bit of material to work with. But hey, that's a pretty solid pickup. You like it, babe?
Alright.
Alright.
Dang, look at this dude. This dude busted out the kid's flannel. Dude, and it matches the undershirt too. I'm gonna start calling you Alfredo.
Alfredo.
Cause you're so saucy with it. You're so saucy.
Kiss me, bro. Kiss me. Oh, there's somebody behind you. Kiss me.
Oh.
We are out here at TJ Maxx now. This might be the last stop of the day, so we're gonna try to make this one count. But hopefully, TJ Maxx has something. If not, Home Goods is right next door. What? What?
I don't want Cheap Finds Friday to end.
We can't let it
I
end.
look forward to this every week.
Nobody says that.
I say it.
No one says that.
I say it.
Okay. Fine.
I look forward to this, you know. This is my highlight of my week.
I don't believe
This
that.
is the reason why I woke up this morning.
I honestly, I don't believe that.